In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your OBS, which you can see over here, going to my Zoom as my video, and also I can hear myself, which is here. I can hear myself, and it's also coming into my OBS, which you can see over here. As I click it, it's going to be going test speakers. You can see the audio, and also my microphone. As I speak, you can actually see it moving over here. My audio is going well. I want to hear myself also in my microphone. I can actually hear myself right now, but just because I'm using this, I can't actually hear myself right now. So this video, I'm going to show you how to do all this. Stay tuned. My name, don't forget, this is Everlasting Coming. This is Extensible. Alright, this is my OBS over here, OBS 31.0.0, and this is my Zoom over here. I'm going to be showing you how to connect both of them together. So first of all, you're going to need to download virtual audio cable A plus B. That is a virtual audio cable. This is over here, virtual audio cable A plus B. It's my history because I have it already. I downloaded it for vMix to Zoom. But this video is for OBS, not vMix. So this is my OBS. The virtual audio cable over here, look at it, the virtual audio cable A plus B. You're going to need this A plus B. If you're not seeing this A plus B here, I just enter the website vb-audio.com. So let's enter it. Sorry, my network is kind of slow. Then this is it over here. This is the normal VBCable driver pack. We are going to need the A plus B, not the driver pack of VB. So the VBCable A plus B, we have C plus D. So download the VB A plus B for Windows. Then let it enter. You're going to have to donate to download it actually. So as a fan, let's just go to €5 over here and add to cart. And proceed to checkout, then do the necessary payments and all, and you should be able to buy this. All right, so after getting it over here, you're gonna see this virtual audio cable. This is the B driver pack, and this is the A driver pack over here. This is the VB, it's over there also. So this is the VB, the A driver pack. We're gonna have to extract it. Yes. Then if you're not seeing this extract all over here, probably because it's Windows 10, then you're going to see it like this. You can extract here, extract the VB cables, extract all any of the options. Then once it's over here, I already have it actually, so I'm just going to replace everything. Then this is it over here. Extract the B also the way you extracted the A. Then once that is done, I'm going to replace it also because I have everything set already. Once that is done, I'm going to see the VB cable. This for the B driver. Install the setup.exe times 64, run as administrator. Then yes, it's over here. It's already installed. VB cable is already installed. If it's not installed, you're going to see install driver, but now it's saying remove driver. All right, so we cancel that. I'm going to see for the A also do the same for A. Let's go to VB. This is here. So let's go to the VB. So this is for the A also. This for the A also. Then we'll go to the setup, run as, okay, click it, run as administrator. Then same thing, yes, and you're going to see this installer is already installed actually. That's why. So once that is done, we can now send our audio from OBS to Zoom and Zoom to OBS. How is that done? Let's first go to the settings of the OBS. We're going to go to settings. Then in your audio over here, this audio over here, I'm gonna see this over here, everything. So for this, your desktop audio, you're gonna have to off desktop audio because normally it's gonna be in default. So meaning anything that is playing in your desktop is gonna also be showing in your OBS. And I don't want me playing a particular video in my on my laptop now or my system. I don't want to be playing a particular video, and the video, maybe if I'm playing this video for example now, let me see if I'm playing this video. The video, this, okay, kind of lagging. If I'm playing this particular video now, yeah, if I'm playing this particular video now, the video is going to be showing in your OBS, which I won't want that. So I'm just going to disable this. Then for your mic auxiliary, you can add this particular mic or any of your microphone you're using. I also use a headset. That's why they said device not connected or not available, because I'm using the space of my cord to connect my mouse and my microphone. So for now, I'm going to use this particular mic. This is a jack mic. This mic now is, what is it? The mic auxiliary. Any of the microphone you are using, you put it in this particular mic. Any microphone you are using, put it in this jack mic. Then in your mic auxiliary 2, you're going to make it in cable B. So the cable B, you are bringing it to vMix as an audio. Remember, your mic 1, this mic auxiliary audio, is your particular microphone you want to use to speak, to talk. If it's your headset, if it's your microphone, if it's your, any of your microphone you have, This is over here. Then for your mic 2, you're going to bring in cable B over here. Yes. Then now for your monitoring device, you're going to have to set it in cable A, just like the way it is over here. I already have the setup there already. So your monitoring device set it as cable A. So this way, any audio you are playing in your OBS is going to be sending also to this particular cable A as a monitoring device. So instead of normally your monitoring device will be like in your headset or so you can be hearing the audio as it's being played on OBS. But now you are using cable A, so meaning as you are playing it on OBS, it's also playing in cable A. Then this your cable B is like a particular MP, just like how you are bringing this particular audio in, you are bringing in cable B also. So that's you're gonna understand soon enough. All right, so click on apply and click OK. So that is it. You have your Zoom audio here. This is the cable B. Actually, I renamed it from the cable B. I renamed it. Okay, normally you'll see your cable B and stuff, but I renamed it to Zoom audio, so it will be more easier for me to look at it. Then you see your Zoom audio. This is your microphone over here. The microphone speaking. This is a microphone over here. I muted because I'm using this to record my screen and this particular video, so it's not going to be clashing with each other. But I'm just going to make this, I'm going to mute this my particular system so you can also hear it. All right, so this is my particular audio here. Then we'll get to that soon. Then in your Zoom, now you go to your settings of your Zoom. Then let's add the audios also together. All right, so in your Zoom settings over here, go to the audio. Then for this speaker over here now, it's going to cable B. For the speaker, go cable B. Then for the microphone, we are going to select cable A. All right, so now let me explain this well so you can understand. From your microphone here in Zoom, it's going to be hearing whatever is coming out from OBS. So from your OBS monitoring device A is going to your Zoom as a microphone. Then whatever is going out from your Zoom now, going out is going to your cable B, and your cable B is coming in to your OBS as a microphone. I don't know if you understand. Let me say it again. From your OBS over here, whatever audio is going out from your OBS is going out to cable A. Then from cable A is coming in to the Zoom as a microphone. That is cable A. Then from your Zoom, whatever is going out as the speakers is going in, instead of going out as the speakers to your normal default speakers or your headset or whatever, is going into your cable B. So from your cable B is going to be sending into your OBS as a microphone. All right, so that is done. Let's click on OK, and we're going to test the microphones. So if you click on test microphone over here, this is the cable A, this is it over here. If I'm to click on test microphone here, I'm going to be saying that as I'm speaking, this is moving. As I'm speaking, this is moving. Test mic. Okay, so I'm speaking and I'm testing the microphone of the Zoom meeting. Let's hear it. So as I said, that is speaking is coming out in my Zoom audio over here. Okay, so let me try to mute my mic and on my audio so you can hear this particular audio. You have to test the speakers now. You're going to hear it from here, testing the speakers. You can see that testing the speakers. So now we are not done. Actually, we are not done, because now instead of monitoring device to go to your headset or to your speaker so you can actually hear what is going on, you can't actually hear a thing. So you are going to be streaming to OBS and to Zoom coming to OBS coming to Zoom perfectly, but at the same time you can't actually hear what is going on. So we are going to have to download a plugin in OBS which is called Audio Monitor. All right, so go to your Chrome again. Now we're going to go to the OBS project software, obsproject.com, the OBS website. So obsproject.com, go to forum. We're going to download the plugin, then go to plugins. You can just search for Audio Monitor, then click on enter. Then now let's scroll down to see Audio Monitor. This is Audio Monitor over here. I guess it's this one. Yep, Audio Monitor. So this now is what we are going to have to download over here. I've downloaded actually. So just download the Audio Monitor Windows installer directly. Then it's over here downloading. Yep. So after that is been downloaded, then you go to where it's saved in. That is the project file, of course. Then you extract this also. Audio Monitor extract all. Yep, complete. And this is Audio Monitor .exe. So you can install this, and you're gonna see something like this. Click on run anyways. Then you can cancel it. Okay, yes, then cancel this. It's already running on the background. You click on install, prepare and install. OBS is already actually open because I want to install it, or else you have to restart OBS and stuff. So you install that, It's already installed. I'm not going to install this actually because I already have it installed and OBS is open. So you install that, and once that is done, you can actually now open your Zoom. Let me just cancel installation. Yes, so once that is done in your OBS now, you're going to begin whatever that is going on in your Zoom. As I said earlier on, let me open my settings again, minimize this. Now let this audio, let this come in one corner here. So as this is working now, you can see if I unmute this, it's actually going to be talking in my Zoom, right? And if I test the speakers, it's going to be coming in my OBS. So we're not hearing anything that is going on, but we know that it's actually perfectly going on. Alright, so now that that is done, you have to go to each audio input, because at times you might not actually hear what is going on in the Zoom. As I'm talking here, it might not actually come here. So this is what you do if that is actually going on. In your microphone output here, click on the advanced audio properties. Now in your microphone over here, click on the audio monitoring, then take it to monitor and output, or monitor only, or monitor off. Let me explain everything to you. For the monitor off, meaning, we set our audio monitoring to go to cable A in the settings of the OBS, meaning it's going to the Zoom over here microphone. So if you off the audio monitoring over here, it's not going to be showing in OBS, but it's going to be showing in your output. That is if you are streaming to YouTube and to TikTok also. Let me just stop the speaker. If you are streaming to YouTube, to TikTok, to Facebook, or any other social media handle, you're going to be hearing yourself actually in the output, but you're not going to be hearing yourself in the Zoom. So if you click on monitor only, you're going to be hearing yourself in the Zoom alone, but you're not going to be hearing yourself in the output. Look at it over here, mute output. Then if you click on monitor and output, you'll be hearing yourself both in the audio, which is over here in the Zoom, and you're going to be hearing yourself also in the stream, that is your YouTube or your Facebook or wherever you are streaming to. Now for me personally, I don't like my microphone showing in the output, because I'm usually not the one hosting the call. I'm usually not the one streaming. I'm just like the broadcast engineer. So I'm just going to put it in monitor only. So those in Zoom alone will hear me, but those on the stream won't hear me. So in case I want to tell them, okay, please be audible, or please you next, or just so in case I want to have to direct the video going on, without telling anyone maybe something is going on, your microphone is not that clear, or I can't really see you, your face isn't visible enough for the people online to hear. I make it an out monitor only, rather. I make it a monitor only, so only the people in Zoom will hear me. People on output is on mute, so they won't hear what is going on me saying. But now in your Zoom audio, click on the monitor off. So now if it's monitor off, is muted to monitor, but it's actually going to your output. So in your output now is people on the stream can hear what is going on in your Zoom, people on the stream can hear, and at the same time people on the Zoom won't be able to hear again, so it won't like have a loop back. Because if you put it on monitor and output, people on Zoom will be hearing what the person is saying, and people are hearing it. Like if I'm in a meeting now, I can of course hear what other people are saying on the same meeting, but at the same time, if it's on monitor and output here, I'll be hearing it also again. As I'm hearing the person speaking, I'm also hearing it again from this particular stream, which will give like a double feedback, which I don't want. So we're just going to make it monitor only. That is going to, sorry, not monitor only, monitor off rather. So we're going to make it monitor off. That is going only to your stream. All right, so once that is done, for you to be able to hear yourself in your OBS, you have to click on each of the audio inputs you want to hear. Just like how you click on each one you want to send to your Zoom, you have to click on each one you want to actually hear yourself. So for example, I want to hear this my particular microphone. You click on the filters, then you click on audio monitor. This is over here. Let me just delete this because I already added. So I'm going to add a particular filter, which is this. Then you go to your audio monitor, which is the plugin we downloaded earlier. Then you click on audio. Alright, so that is actually it, and this is how you actually hear yourself from the default audio. So you don't hear yourself from a particular earphone or speaker or system, or just the default. I prefer default because that is actually where the system is going to. So once you click on this close, you can actually hear yourself going on, and you can actually hear it in the Zoom also. So we have like two audio monitor, the normal audio monitor in the OBS and the audio monitor that we download as a plugin. So in this Zoom audio also, if you want to hear what's going on, you go on the filters, go to audio monitor over here. This is it. If you don't have it, you can actually add it audio monitor. Let me just delete both of them. This is the filter that I added to mine because I can't actually hear what people are saying. It's not only one person, but like more than 5 people. So I can't each be telling them increase your microphone. So let's just give them again. That's over here again. But now we want to add ourselves. So we want to be able to hear what is going on in the Zoom. So go to plus over here, and we go to audio monitor. So the audio monitor, click on OK, and this is over here. So once that is done, you can be able to hear yourself in your OBS straight. So now if I am to test speakers, you actually hear what is going on. Let me increase the volume. Let me move this microphone. And now so okay, one more thing. If I actually mute the volume over here, you will still hear yourself in your audio monitor that you added as a filter, because this over here is a particular setting on its own. It has its own volume and it has its own balancing. So if you are to reduce the volume over here, you will still be hearing yourself actually, because it is an audio monitor. I said you have to, mute the audio monitor over here. So that is how that is why when I increased my volume, it was still ringing in my ear. Alright, so now for the speakers we want to test. So if we go to test speakers over here, I've added it as a filter already in my audio monitor. So I should be able to hear what is going on right now. That is how you do it. So any audio you want to hear, because at times you might not actually hear, you might forget that you are actually supposed to add your audio monitor. So any audio you add to your vMix, let's say for instance, in that particular video I did earlier on how to add the background audio in OBS. Let's say I want to add this Adwakiu by Lawrence Oyo. If I want to add this particular audio over here and I click on fade, it's playing. Now if I go to my my Zoom, go to my settings, I should be able to see the audio being played here, right? But now that it's not playing, meaning it's not yet in monitor. So I'm going to go to advanced audio properties. Then for this Adwakiu, which is the first one, I'm going to go to monitor only. Then look at it, you can hear it here. That is how it is. So if you want to also hear yourself, you want to also hear the song from your own headset by yourself, because now the people on Zoom are hearing it, but you can't hear. You go to the filters as always, then go to plus, go to audio monitor, and you can hear it. That's how it is. So let me just off this over here in the filter. Yep, and that is how you actually add your audios. Now I want to add a video, so let me just enter a new meeting. All right, so this is my meeting. Then if you go to my OBS over here, we go to OBS. What's my OBS? So if I go to my OBS over here and I click on plus, I click on my camera. Let me just add, yes, join with audio, bro. So my audios, I click on plus, click on camera. Let's change this camera over here to my integrated webcam, which is not actually clear. All right, this is it over here. So once you want to, now I've showed you how to add your audio from Zoom to OBS and OBS to Zoom. So now it's for the camera. So for the camera, you can actually see what is going on here, but in your Zoom, you might not actually see actually. So let me just add the audio. You can see the audio here, which is cable A, cable B. Perfect. So for your camera to show, you have to go to your OBS and you select start virtual camera. So once you start virtual camera over here, in your settings, make sure the virtual camera is in program, which is whatever is going on here, because this is program. So don't make it in preview, because this is preview. Don't make it a particular scene, a particular source. So in programs, you're going to sit here, and in your Zoom, in your video over here, make it OBS virtual camera, and whatever is going on in your Zoom is here, and your Zoom also is going into here. So if I'm to play anything right now, like this picture in picture, which I'll do a video on soon, if I'm to do this, you're gonna see it. If I play it over here, you're gonna see it in my Zoom, which is over here. I'm gonna show you how to do this later, not now though. But in the meantime, this is how you actually add your Zoom to OBS and OBS to Zoom. I know it's actually long, but this is actually how it is. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget, my name is Elastic Community. This is Extensible. If you have any questions, if you have any comments, please don't feel free to actually comment it. If you are going to message me online, it actually might going to cost you my service, because I'm actually going to be devoting my time to you and stuff like that. So please join my membership offer. Also subscribe to the YouTube channel. I know I speak fast, but that's actually how it is. So if it's too fast for you, please, you can go to the settings of this particular video in your YouTube, and you select the playback speed and reduce it to like 0.5, 0.7 and stuff like that, so you can actually hear it slowly. I know I speak fast, but please pardon me. This is actually how I speak. All right, so what else? Subscribe to what else? Subscribe to this YouTube channel to join this amazing family. Turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post new updates. I'm going to be posting more on Zoom, on vMix, on OBS, on Easy Worship, on Bible Show, Basically, how to improve your live stream. That is how I'm going to do it in your church, in your events, and whatever it is you are live streaming. Thank you once again. My name is Joseph Olasikomi. See you in the next video.